How to use all the features of the camera on a Redmi 14C. By default, your camera is shooting in the normal mode. To activate 15 megapixels, go to the camera settings and find this mode. First, take a picture in the usual mode, pay attention on the details, and then repeat at 50 megapixels. Compare images. Notice how the sharpness and detail of the image has increased. Now you can zoom in on the photo and it will remain sharp. If the photo is too dark or too light, you can fix it. Click on the screen where you want to change the exposure and the icon will appear as a sun. Move it up to increase the brightness or down to decrease. You can also automate the process by clicking on the auto brightness icon. Let's return to the normal photo mode and I will teach you how to smoothly zoom in or out. Hold the zoom icon and adjust it as you like. You have the ability to increase zoom up to 10. If you want to look at something in detail far away, this is what you need. Do you want to change the color scheme of your photo? In photo mode, click on the filter icon. And you can choose from different available presets and see how the image's mood and temperature will change. It's like adding a hipster or retro filter to a photo in one touch. For the voice control, in the settings, select the option of voice shutter. Shutter type, voice shutter. Now, to take a photo, just say cheese and the camera will work itself. Great for selfies or when hands are busy. For the serial shooting, find the serial mode in the settings. It is called timed burst. Turn it on and set how much photos you would like to make. For example, 300 and the interval. For example, 14 seconds. Now, by pressing the shutter button, the camera will take a series of photos as a set interval. It is ideal for shooting dynamic scenes or large groups. You can also enable automatic QR code reading in the camera settings. Just go to the settings and turn on this button. This is really convenient for quick access to links. Also, you can adjust the volume buttons for different options. For example, shutter, increase or decrease sound, zoom. Try using them as a shutter. It's convenient when taking selfies. To save battery life when recording snapshots, I would recommend you to enable the off-screen mode. This will significantly reduce energy consumption because the screen will remain dark. Another useful feature is Google Lens. You can find it in your camera and use it for recognizing objects and searching information. Point at an object and then press the shutter button. And Google will show you different options about this object, even suggest where to buy it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and enjoy!